about it as well. This spar that happened several years ago. Now, you, Frank, said in a recent documentary, you heard about the spar and you signed it basically because of that spar as well. Can we clear that up now? Listen, we know you guys are going to fight for the real thing on Saturday, but can we clear up the sparring story, the sparring rules? AJ?
You cracked me with a great shot, and it's my chance to get him back on Saturday. I'm looking forward to it.
There you go.
We sparred hundreds around, didn't it?
You cracked him then. So you know you can hurt.
It's sparring, now we're fighting, it's different, you know?
It gets different?
Ready to go. You can move on now. Move on now.
Oh.
Didn't do nothing, I'm ready to go, and I'm ready to fight.
As expected. Anthony Joshua, how do you win on Saturday?
How do I win on Saturday? It can happen in a variety of ways, various ways, man. I'm not dependent on punch power. You know, it takes a lot more than that to be a great fighter. A lot more than that to be a great fighter. So there's various ways I win. I've got the fighter spirit, and that's how I'll go in there and break him down with my spirit.
Does that matter to you at this stage of your career, or is it big fights?
Nah, I'll tell you, the accolades and stuff come later, because I always say, it's crazy, you go back to your house on Sunday morning, have the same breakfast, put your clothes in the same laundry basket, nothing really changes, go to the same local gym. So for me, it's just, I just want to compete. I'm glad I've got some of the best challenges in front of me to compete with during my career. Brings the best out of me, so yeah, that's what it is really. I'm a competitive person, I've got a competition that I need to attend to on Saturday, and I'm looking forward to it.
Daniel, final one, don't get upset with me, I'm going to ask you one more. You're walking out in front of 96,000, you are a heavyweight world champion. A lot of people think you've got a good chance here. What's that feeling going to be like when you take that ring walk?
Like I've taken it many times before, just this time it's on the biggest stage, so you know the energy is going to be higher.
Your best performance, an iconic performance. You take that same walk again. What's that feeling going to be like for you?
The feeling?
The feeling.
Sorry?
The feeling. What's that feeling?
Be the same for all of us, you know. Honestly, all of us. Many are greats that walked it before. All in the undercard are going to walk it. I'm going to walk it. I'm going to feel just like any of them. But when I step into that ring, that's when I switch on. I'm ready. So the ring walk, I'm not really interested in. That's just getting to the location to do my job. But once I'm in the ring, I'll be ready, 110%.
And final one to the promoters, Eddie and Frankie. You've been there.
Ready to go on Saturday, so it's a great show, and I just can't wait to go.
Yeah, but let's move on. I'm going to come back to you, Daniel, though you are going to answer a few more questions, hopefully. AJ, here we go again, right? You've been there, you've done it, you've seen it all, you've been in big events, since you turned pro. What's it like to be at another big event, Riyadh season at Wembley, home of what I think was your biggest success against Vladimir Klitschko?
What a blessing. Thanks to everyone coming today, but it's a blessing to be back again, to be able to perform, prove to myself, prove to my team that I've listened to the instructions in training camp, and we're ready to rock and roll. And I'm in supreme condition, both physically and also mentally. So yeah, it's good to be back. And I've been watching some of the fights as well. Just adding something to the fire, ready to rumble, reminding myself what I can do and what I'm capable of.
We all know exactly what you can do. Daniel Dubois is a name that maybe many thought wouldn't have been your opponent a few months ago. What type of challenge do you expect Daniel Dubois to bring to you on Saturday night?
We'll find out. We're only a couple of hours left, so everyone that's going to be there will enjoy it, but we'll find out. I can't say. I'm not Daniel. All I can do is focus on myself.
Indeed. Again, we will go back to the fight, but I did want to speak to you first and foremost. Eddie, let's speak to your charge before we talk about...
Victories, 20 KO. AJ Anthony Joshua, 28 victories, 25 KO. Perhaps all the level. Reigning and defending IBF heavyweight champion of the world, Triple D, Canada, Daniel Dubois.
Guys, you're going to have to go down lower, right? You're going to have to go down lower. At the legendary Wembley Stadium, 96,000 fans.